Is your filter cake coming out wetter than expected? High moisture in filter cake can increase disposal costs, transportation weight, and overall operating expenses. One common reason is insufficient filtration pressure, which leaves excess liquid trapped inside the cake. Worn or clogged filter cloth can also restrict drainage and reduce dewatering efficiency. In some applications, slurry characteristics such as fine particles, high viscosity, or compressible solids make moisture removal more challenging. Short filtration cycles, improper settings, or equipment issues may also affect cake dryness. Improving pressure, cloth condition, cycle time, and process control can significantly improve dewatering performance.